Join us as we travel to the Dry Tortugas, 70 miles west of Key West, on our vintage sailboat Uptown in 1977 Oregon.
Whole school of flying fish just went over the boat?
I'm Gia, and this is Lynn.
Hello.
And we've been dreaming of going to this national park, but we had no idea of the adventure that was in store for us.
Swimming with sharks, the Civil War, Fort Jefferson, friends on boats that we happened to find out there.
Fire dancing at the Marquesas Keys, epic snorkel dives everywhere we went.
Beautiful sunsets, the bird colonies, especially the frigates.
It was stunning from top to bottom, and we were grateful to get to spend over a week here. So join us on this really short recap of everything we got to do.
There's so much more to see.
So get out there and go on your own adventure.
Find a lighthouse. Start there.